Good morning, students. So, yesterday we have learned using Calc as a database, and we have also learned about using forms in a database and different topics. Today we will learn sorting data, filtering data, using advanced filter, and using data validation. So, what is a sorting data? In order to organize data in a better way, Excel, or you can say Calc, is having a feature called sorting. Sorting means arranging the data of a given field in a ascending order or descending order in a worksheet. Here worksheet means the sheet on which we are working. The Excel or Calc sheet, that is called worksheet. So what is a sorting? Sorting means whenever we have entered a data in an Excel sheet, and if we want to sort it according to our need, for example, I want to sort the student's name in alphabetic order, so that is called sorting. I'll show you with the help of example. See here, serial numbers are not in order, right? Now I want to sort them in a particular order, so I'll go to data, sort and filter option, and choose the sort option. Now here you can see, you can sort the columns. I want to sort serial number column or field, we can say, and I want to sort it from smallest to largest. And it has changed accordingly. I hope you have understood this. Sorting means arranging the data in a particular way. It can be ascending, descending, any order. If I want to sort department in alphabetic order, I can change it. See here, the department name have come into a alphabetic order. Students, you can also try side by side if you have computer at home. These are very important point when you are working on Calc or Excel. See, I'll show you how to change gender in alphabetically. I have changed it also. So the same way we can change all topics, all type of columns. As I told you, column means fields. So in this example we have learned what is the sorting. Now what is filtering data? In Excel or Calc, many ways are there to analyze data in a worksheet. Filter feature hides away the data temporarily while show the data which we want. It displays the list of data which satisfies specific criteria by using autofilter command. So what we do in filter, we hide the data which we do not want to show, and we show the data which we want to show. For example, I do not want to show the data of the students who have less than 20 marks in my Excel sheet. So what will I do? I'll choose filter option for this, because in sorting I have the option of ascending and descending order, but I do not have to hide the data. So I'll choose filter option for this. Let us do this with the help of example. I'm using the same calc sheet or data which we have already made. Select it. I'm doing it again because I do not want to touch my previous work, because I have already sorted that work. So I'm just copying pasting it. Now I have written salary 40,000 here. That means I want to filter the record of the person who have salary 40,000 and I want to hide the other one. I'll go to filter. See, after whenever we choose the filter option, these types of arrow will come on this. So in from these arrow I can choose that which I want to show. If I'll click on the tick mark, that means it will show only that part. Got it? And it has hidden all the parts which were not required or which I do not want to show. Filter option. And if I want to put a tick mark, it will show only females here. See? So filter option only gives us the facility to hide some record and to show some record that we want to do. We have the option, we can put a tick mark on this option. We can select it from this menu bar, and then it will show the things we require only. I hope it is clear to you. What is the filtering? Filtering means hides the data which we do not want to show and show the data which we want to show. What is advanced filter option in this? In advanced filter option, we have option of filtering data in multiple fields using specified criteria. We can copy the filter record to another location. Right? In filter option, we have the option to filter the record in this table only. But in advanced filter, I can copy the filtered record in another location also. Like for example, I want all the females of this gender field will go to another location, right? So I'll do that advanced with the help of advanced filter. Go to advanced filter, list range. I'll choose the list range. This is the dialog box which appears on the screen. Copy to another location. So I want that my work which is in from D15 to D16 will go to another location. I hope you know about D15 and D16, the range one. I have told you when we were doing calculation, I have told you that D16, A1, A2, A3, these are the location or range. It will include the column name and row number. Right? See, I have chosen only these two rows for the another location. Of course, we can do it with copy paste also. That will be a much easier, but just I want to tell you how to do advanced filter. That's why I have done this. It has shown that only that record which are filtered from the up table. I hope it is clear to you. Beta, you can practice it at your home. It will be more clear to you. So that's all for today. We'll do the next topic tomorrow. Thank you.